Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4S and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change the straps on our watch, first we need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch and flip it around. And on each of the straps, we have the bottom one and the top one, you will see a lever basically. And to remove the strap you need to pull on it and then it will release the strap and you can take it out. So basically grab the pin on the lever right here with your fingernail, push it towards the middle of the watch, it will release the mechanism and it will release the strap and you can then remove it. You can do this for the second one, the same way, pull on it, come on, like this, and then take out the strap. This one struggles a bit more. Okay, and how this mechanism works basically is when you pull on the lever, it hides this pin, and when it hides the pin, it releases the strap. The pin hides basically like this, so it releases the strap from this hole on the watch, and once it does, you can pull it out basically. So that's how the watch looks without the straps, and here we have our straps. And let's say you have the new ones and you want to put them on. It's quite simple really. You take the strap, you put this end of the strap into a hole on the watch, then you pull the lever on the strap, realign it with the other hole and release it, and it's gonna snap on. Quite simple. Like this. Pull, realign, release, like that. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.